Introducing the Skull & Co. case. So I bought the new Nintendo Switch, just like you did. I love my Nintendo Switch. I take it everywhere with me, providing me with hours of entertainment. But I always find my hands getting tired from playing for a long period of time. So, I thought to myself, why isn't there a case with comfortable gripping for the Switch, just like the other Joy-Cons? Then I started designing by gathering simple data within the market, for instance, kids' and adults' hand shape and sizes. We've built various prototypes in order to fulfill our vision. Firstly, we wanted the case to have a cool and slick look. We designed 2 sets of grips in gray or neon red and blue to match your Nintendo Switch. They can be easily switched to fit comfortably within the gamer's hold. The case will provide a stronger grip and more comfortable experience, no matter children or adults, casual or hardcore gamers. This is made of soft TPU material, which makes it easy to put on and remove. We made the back of this case extremely thin, so there is no need to remove the case to charge your Nintendo Switch in the dock. Plus, we have also designed a hard shell case to store the Nintendo Switch when the case is on. The hard shell case provides extra storage spaces. Put power bank, adapter, USB cable, handset, and almost everything you think is necessary. Just pack and go. You'll love it.
We are an experienced team, and our manufacturer partners are ready to go. With your support, we can take this grip case into mass production.
Introducing the world's first magnetic connector for iPhone 7. Because Apple has combined the audio jack and the power jack into one connector on the iPhone 7, we are now able to give you a magnetic connector that connects your data, audio, and fast charging in a single click. It's never been more convenient. Magnetic connectors are vastly superior to mechanical connectors. Not only are they way more convenient to use, they're also far more resistant to dust, water, and other contaminants. All this added reliability can greatly improve your peace of mind. Our engineering team has worked very hard to make this connector as small as possible. We have also developed a 2-in-1 connector that works with Android and Apple devices. We've already successfully completed a pilot manufacturing run of over 1,000 units. We have done extensive testing to ensure their reliability over extended use. If you're interested, please contact us now for our early review program. Please support us and make this a reality. We cannot do it without you.
3.
How many times have you been caught out without battery? You're on the go, your phone's dead, and if you're like me, your backup battery's sitting at home when you need it the most.
Hi, I'm Evan, an engineer living in Tokyo.
And I'm Luke, a designer living in Sydney.
We're the creators of Plan V, a fail-safe charger for your smartphone. We've been friends for 15 years and now we're working together to solve everyday problems. We've created a charger with a difference, something you can rely on in emergencies when everything else fails.
We started to think, how do we take away the pain of carrying around these bulky batteries? They're either heavy, or if they are compact, they don't give you much charge. Then we started to think about your car. You don't carry around a spare battery, you carry around jumper leads. So why shouldn't the same principle apply to your phone?
It does. Batteries are everywhere. Supermarkets, gas stations, corner stores, convenience stores. All you need is a jumper cable.
Smartphones. We all can't seem to get enough of them. We're using them more than ever before. At home, on the bus, in bed, on the toilet, admit it, at work, and everywhere in between. There's just one teeny tiny problem. Your phone's battery life just can't seem to keep up. We've all had it happen at least once. You're out and about and your phone dies and you're left stranded when you need it most. There are those backup battery packs, but they're never on you when you really need them. That's why we're here on Kickstarter. We've come up with a fail-safe solution for when your battery's on the blink. It's called Plan V, and it's like a car's jumper lead for your phone. When you're on the go and staring down the barrel of a battery catastrophe, simply pick up a 9-volt battery, connect it to the Plan V device, and then hook it up to your phone. Since these are the square batteries you find in smoke alarms, they're about as widely available as chocolate bars. So, back Plan V and help us bring a portable, reliable and durable solution to everyone who's been caught out without charge. Plan V, the fail-safe charger for your smartphone.
When I go out, all I ever take are my keys, my wallet and my phone. The 3-point check. That's why we designed Plan V to be small enough to fit on your keyring. It's so small you won't even notice it's on you, until you really need it.
This is something we initially designed for ourselves and our friends. It got us out of some tricky situations. We think it can help you too.
We've worked long and hard to get to prototype stage. We've come from here to here. Now we need your help. Honestly, without you, this won't happen.
So if you rely on your phone a lot and need a truly fail-safe charger, one that you can't forget to charge and is always on you, back us, and we won't let you or your phone down.
Hey Kickstarter, I'm Alfred, and we're really excited today to introduce to you Betty.
Betty is an app-enabled alarm clock for your smartphone that does so much more than just wake you up. For starters, Betty comes with multiple smart buttons that allow you to control many devices around your home, like the lighting in your bedroom. Betty also includes 2 USB ports so you can charge multiple devices at night. The Betty has a fully off feature that totally dims the clock face so your room is completely dark at night. And since loud noises keep people up too, we also included a white noisemaker that helps peacefully drown out the loud sounds of your city. Choose from settings like rainy night or humming fan to help you fall asleep. But Betty doesn't just help you go to sleep at night. Our Sunrise Simulator feature gradually brightens your room in the morning with soft light, gently stirring you awake 5 minutes before your alarm goes off. And since Betty is connected to your home, we can talk to your Wemo switch to prepare your coffee 10 minutes before your alarm goes off, or set your nest, so your place is warm and your coffee is hot and ready for you when you wake up. And more than that, rather than a jarring buzzer alarm sound, Betty comes with Spotify integration, so you can make your alarm sound your favorite morning playlist. Betty also gives you a quick glimpse at your local weather so you can dress appropriately for the day.
Today's weather is rainy and temperature is 68 degrees.
And even better, Betty integrates with the Maps feature on your phone and knows your morning commute. So Betty will periodically update you in the morning as to exactly when you need to leave for work, based on your local current traffic conditions.
You need to leave in 15 minutes.
And if you're a lover of the sharing economy like we are, we've also integrated a one-touch Uber button into Betty so you can call your Uber straight from bed and Betty will inform you when it arrives.
Your Uber has arrived.
We've worked hard in the past year building a lot of great features into Betty, while keeping with these unique and modern design elements. And we're almost ready to bring it to you, but we need your help to kick off expensive tooling, perfect our app, and secure lonely components. So please support us by backing our project and sharing it with your friends. We look forward to take this journey with you and to bring Betty into every bedroom. Thank you.
Horizon's vision is to allow everyone owning a smartphone to experience immersive, three-dimensional augmented reality. It really is a first of its kind. Horizon uses the technology that you already own to make augmented reality available anywhere, anytime, and to anyone. Your smartphone camera finds the target and overlays virtual images onto your environment, creating vivid three-dimensional experiences. You can use anything as a target: a dollar bill, your coffee cup, or even an iPad screen. With just a tap on our app, a choice of experience, a flip of the phone, and the horizon is ready to go. Augmented reality lets you dive into a world where your imagination is brought to life. In everyday settings, augmented reality can bring anything from joy and entertainment to real-world practicalities, such as optical learning, hands-on design, and the visualization of models. When designing Horizon, simplicity and usability is at the heart of augmented reality as we had imagined it. With the cardboard, Google brought virtual reality to everyone. With Horizon, we are doing the same thing but for augmented reality. This led us to a product that is both intuitive in its use and only a fraction of the price of current solutions.
We are a small and dedicated team of designers, developers, and programmers. And what we have shown you today are just some of the concepts that we have built to showcase the fascinatingly large potential that augmented reality has to offer. With Horizon, we are giving you the chance to truly experience augmented reality and to combine it with everyday real-world applications. We are excited to be bringing augmented reality to everyone. What we need is an initial investment to cover some of our production costs, but also to kickstart app development. So back us today.